Do you ever feel like your faith is tested the most when life gets tough? What's one thing you personally do to stay spiritually strong during difficult times? Share your answer in the comments. I'm really curious to know what helps you stay grounded. We've all been there. But what if I told you that these moments are your chance to grow stronger spiritually? In this video, I'll reveal the keys to staying spiritually strong, no matter how tough life gets. So stick around, because you don't want to miss this. And don't forget to drop your answer in the comments before we dive in. 1. Recognize and accept the test. Difficult times are inevitable in life, but Islam teaches us that these trials are actually tests from Allah. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:286 reminds us, Allah does not burden a soul beyond that it can bear. This means that no matter how tough things get, we have the ability to endure. When you recognize that challenges are a form of spiritual test, it shifts your mindset from frustration to faith. Point to remember, these hardships are temporary, and by embracing them, you grow stronger in your faith. 2. Strengthen your connection with Allah. In moments of difficulty, it's easy to feel lost or disconnected, but this is the best time to deepen your relationship with Allah. Start by turning to Him in prayer. Salah is your lifeline, a direct communication channel with the Creator. By praying regularly, you not only fulfill your obligation, but also remind yourself that Allah is in control of your situation. Actionable tip: make it a habit to perform extra voluntary prayers like tahajjud during tough times. Waking up in the last third of the night to seek Allah's help is a powerful way to find peace and clarity. 3. Reflect on the stories of the prophets. When you're going through hardship, remember the struggles of the prophets. Peace be upon them. Each prophet faced their own tests, but they remained patient and trusted in Allah's plan. For instance, Prophet Job, A.S., was afflicted with severe illness and loss of wealth, yet he remained patient and steadfast in his faith. Point to ponder. Reflecting on the trials of the prophets helps put your own difficulties into perspective and inspires you to remain patient. 4. Surround yourself with positive, faithful people. During hard times, the company you keep plays a significant role in your spiritual state. Surround yourself with people who remind you of Allah, encourage you to stay positive, and uplift you spiritually. Isolation often leads to feelings of despair, but being around those who are spiritually strong can reignite your faith. Tip: join a study circle, attend the mosque more regularly, or engage with Islamic content online to stay connected to a positive community. 5. Make dua, supplication, your weapon. One of the most powerful tools we have as believers is dua. It's a way of calling out to Allah, asking for His guidance, help, and strength. The beauty of dua is that it is a conversation between you and your Creator. There are no barriers. During difficult times, pour your heart out in supplication, trusting that Allah hears every word. Powerful dua to remember. O turner of the hearts, keep my heart firm on your religion. 6. Practice gratitude even in hardship. It might seem counterintuitive to express gratitude when you're struggling, but this is one of the most effective ways to strengthen your spirituality. Surah Ibrahim 14:7 says, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor." By focusing on the blessings you still have, you shift your attention away from the negativity and remind yourself that Allah's mercy is ever present. Actionable step: start a gratitude journal where you list at least 3 things you're grateful for each day. It can be as simple as having food to eat or the ability to pray. 7. Trust in Allah's plan. Tawakkul. Tawakkul means to have complete reliance on Allah. When you trust that Allah has a plan for you, it becomes easier to accept the hardships you're facing. Even when things don't make sense right now, trust that everything is unfolding according to Allah's wisdom. Sometimes the delay or difficulty is actually a blessing in disguise. Point to remember, Allah knows what is best for you. Trust His plan and know that He is the best of planners. 8. Recite and reflect on the Quran. The Quran is a source of guidance, healing, and comfort. In times of distress, turn to the words of Allah for solace. Reciting and reflecting on its verses brings peace to the heart. Surah Ar-Ra'd 13:28 states, "Verily, in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest." Find peace through its recitation and contemplation. Tip: choose specific verses that resonate with your current situation and repeat them daily. You'll find that they become a source of strength. 9. Stay patient and keep going. Patience is a key part of enduring hardship. As humans, we often want immediate relief, but patience teaches us resilience and humility. Surah Asr 103 verse 2-3 tells us, "Indeed, mankind is in loss, except for those who have believed and done righteous deeds and advised each other to truth and advised each other to patience." Reminder: patience isn't about passively waiting, it's about trusting the process while actively seeking Allah's help. 10. Remember the temporary nature of this life. Finally, remind yourself that this life is temporary. We are all travelers passing through. Every hardship we face here is temporary, while the rewards of the hereafter are eternal. Keeping this perspective can help you stay spiritually grounded during the most challenging moments. Point to ponder. When faced with difficulty, ask yourself, how can I respond in a way that earns Allah's pleasure? Conclusion. Difficult times are a natural part of life, but they also offer a unique opportunity to grow spiritually and get closer to Allah. By adopting these principles, recognizing the test, strengthening your connection with Allah, seeking inspiration from the prophets, practicing gratitude, and trusting in Allah's plan, you'll find that you emerge from hardship stronger and more resilient than before. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments which tip resonated with you the most. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more content that helps you stay spiritually strong no matter what life throws your way.